Quotient's forecaster model presents a flexible machine learning framework that allows you to formulate security price prediction or classification solutions. It's similar to a backtester but uses regression-based analysis. You can choose from over 50 machine learning options, specify scope, volume, category, and frequency of the data within an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, leverage a rich set of data cleansing features to pre-process data for training, seamlessly deploy the machine learning model design into a production setting, and easily train and validate candidate machine learning models. Let's go through a few steps with the forecaster. It's available from the Quotient landing page. The forecaster has a simple, easy-to-use interface that outlines each step in the process. We'll start with the universe or set of equities I want to evaluate. I'm interested in equities in the US large cap, so I will drag that universe from the utilities section of the Quotient data environment. I'm looking for a date range of trailing 2 years. Next, I'll specify the feature I'm interested in. In machine learning, a feature is a factor or signal to be evaluated. I would like to research the EBITDA to assets that I can drag into my forecaster from the profitability and growth section of Quotient's data environment. Quotient has a lot of ways you can evaluate the data. I'm interested in looking at z-scores. I will categorize the transformations by economic sector. Now I get to choose what machine learning models I would like to use. Quotient has integrated over 50 machine learning models. I'll look at random forest regressor. Quotient does a lot of the work for me by selecting default training criteria to use, but I have the ability to change them to suit my analysis. And I can choose how I want to sample. For this round, I'm selecting security and date. Now, I get to choose my output. I'm going to use DataStream's Total Return Index monthly. I can customize what I want to see. I'll look at the TRBC economic sector with a 6-month horizon. I want to look at the mean and median. I'll look at monthly. Again, you have choices, so you have a lot of customization at your fingertips without having to do any heavy lifting. From the forecaster machine learning results, we can analyze the predictions across securities for the date range selected. We can also review the trained model's fitness metrics such as R-squared and squared error values. For such regression models, R-squared values typically range between 0 and 1, and higher R-squared values indicate better accuracy of model predictions. With Quotient, we can also evaluate the trading effectiveness of these model predictions by applying them to a trade-based simulation using Quotient's backtester model. Here, I have created a new backtest analysis that uses the predictions from the forecaster's training model as the alpha signals for my new backtest. Looking at the resultant growth profile for the 4 quartile portfolios of this backtest confirms that investments made in stocks with high model predictions, shown here as quartile 4, generate superior investment returns than the stocks with low predictions. I can also inspect the recommended securities within the holdings of this top quartile portfolio. With this information, I can then consider these new trading opportunities for my investment portfolio. It's that simple. I just built a forecaster model. I can review the output and see the results fairly quickly. We hope you enjoyed this brief demo of Quotient's forecaster. Quotient is a game changer with its ability to handle large data sets quickly in the cloud and with full transparency.